You bite into it, and it tastes sweet. But this one fruit could be the reason you're still walking independently at 85. Ignore it, and the consequences aren't just weakness. They're devastating. Mayo Clinic warns, muscle loss after 60, known as sarcopenia, doesn't just affect your strength. It destroys your metabolism, balance, and even immune system. Lose 10% of your muscle, and you double your risk of falling. Lose 20%, and walking becomes painful. Lose 30%, and simple tasks like getting out of bed or lifting a cup become exhausting. This isn't a far-off risk, it's happening right now. But what if you could fight all this with a simple, affordable fruit? Let's get straight to it. The fruit is the tart cherry, not banana, not apple, not orange. Tart cherries. According to Harvard Health, tart cherries contain natural compounds that not only reduce inflammation, but actively stimulate muscle recovery and growth. They're rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that suppress the very enzymes that break down muscle tissue. But there's more. Tart cherries increase melatonin, and melatonin improves sleep. Why does this matter? Because as NIH explains, most muscle repair happens during deep sleep. No sleep, no strength recovery. And seniors? Often struggle with insomnia, light sleep, or frequent wake-ups. A glass of tart cherry juice before bed improves sleep quality by 17%, according to clinical trials. So in one fruit, you get faster muscle recovery, better sleep, lower inflammation, and better balance and strength. But here's the trap. If you eat this fruit, but don't fix these next two habits, your muscles will still decline. Tip 2. Are you still eating low-protein breakfasts? Most seniors start their morning with toast, jam, cereal, or just a cup of coffee. It feels light and easy. But according to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, this habit may be silently weakening your muscles. After you sleep, your body enters a catabolic state, meaning it's breaking down tissue for energy. Without fuel, especially protein, your body starts pulling amino acids from your own muscles. Over time, this leads to steady muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. The first meal of the day is your best chance to stop this. NIH research shows that consuming 25-30 grams of protein at breakfast can reduce age-related muscle loss by up to 50%. That's not just protection, it's repair. Skipping morning protein means missing the most anabolic, muscle-building window of the day. Even if you eat meat or protein later, your body can't make up for the damage done in the morning. Here are easy ways to fix it. 2 eggs with half a cup of cottage cheese. A bowl of oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and soy milk. Greek yogurt topped with chia or flax seeds. This simple shift stabilizes blood sugar, boosts energy, and gives your body the raw materials it needs to maintain strength and independence. It's one of the most powerful anti-aging habits you can build, starting tomorrow morning. Tip 3. The invisible muscle killer in your kitchen. There's a silent enemy sitting right in your kitchen, and it's likely in almost every meal you eat. Vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower oil are extremely common. They're in your dressings, your packaged snacks, and even the food you cook at home. These oils are heavily processed and extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6 isn't bad on its own. In fact, your body needs a small amount. But here's the issue. Our modern diet has tipped the balance way too far. We're consuming 20 times more omega-6 than omega-3, according to dietary data reviewed by Harvard researchers. That's dangerous. Why? Because omega-6 in excess promotes chronic low-grade inflammation. And this inflammation slowly and silently breaks down muscle tissue, even if you're eating protein and exercising. The inflammation blocks recovery, increases oxidative stress, and interferes with the hormones your body uses to build and maintain strength. So you could be doing all the right things on paper and still getting weaker. What's the solution? First, ditch those high omega-6 oils. Stop using corn, soybean, or sunflower oil for cooking. Replace them with extra virgin olive oil, which is rich in omega-9 and contains powerful anti-inflammatory antioxidants like oleocanthal. For cooking at higher temperatures, use avocado oil. It has a high smoke point and is loaded with heart-healthy fats. And to fix the imbalance, increase your omega-3s. Add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your oatmeal, eat a few walnuts daily, or include chia seeds in your smoothies. This simple shift reduces internal inflammation, protects your muscles from hidden breakdown, and helps every gram of protein you eat actually go toward rebuilding your strength. It's not just what you eat, it's what you cook it in, and most doctors won't tell you that until it's already done the damage. The hidden truth. After 60, your muscles become resistant to protein. It's called anabolic resistance. Your body becomes less efficient at using protein to build muscle. So the same 20 grams that worked at age 30 no longer works at age 70. According to Mayo Clinic, seniors need more protein per pound of body weight to get the same effect. And not just any protein. You need foods high in leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle building. Leucine-rich foods, cottage cheese, eggs, tuna, lentils, chicken breast. Every meal should have at least 2 to 3 grams of leucine to activate muscle growth. Now, let's talk about the mistake most seniors make before bedtime. They eat sugary snacks, cookies, crackers, juice, toast. This spikes insulin and crashes blood sugar during the night. Low blood sugar at 2 a.m. wakes you up, disrupts deep sleep, blocks muscle recovery. Here's what to do instead. 3 Center 4 cup cottage cheese plus 1 TBSP tart cherry juice. Concentrate Greek yogurt with walnuts, boiled egg with 1 to 2 avocado. This combination fuels overnight repair and improves sleep. Practical daily habit to lock it all in. Use this simple 3-step routine every night. Step 1, light evening walk, 10 minutes. This activates leg circulation, improving nutrient delivery to muscle tissue. Step 2, protein plus cherry combo. Get 25g protein and 1 TBSP tart cherry juice, 30-60 mins before sleep. Step 3, magnesium wind down. Take 300 beginners magnesium glycinate to relax the nervous system and deepen sleep. This trifecta of movement, fuel, and sleep triggers powerful nighttime recovery. And that's when the real reversal of sarcopenia begins. Let's review. Tart cherries reduce inflammation, boost melatonin, and protect muscle. Morning protein prevents catabolism. Cooking oil matters more than you think. Leucine is the key to protein absorption. Nighttime habits determine whether your muscles grow or shrink. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need heavy workouts. You need smarter fuel. 1 fruit, 1 bedtime routine, 1 choice each morning. That's how you turn 70 and feel like 40 again. Start tonight.